fans of the outdoors, we got ourselves a little situation.
Is this reality?
Reality off-roader.
Off-roader?
Reality off-roader. We got what we call a flat tire in the industry.
And we're trying to find some natural terrain to fix it. To take the bad tire off, deflated tire off, and put a new tire on. But I'm not sure what. We need a physics class right now.
You gotta get moved over more.
So, the Raleighs, they got themselves a hell of a machine, but no jack. So, I jack.
Stay up on the hillside, Kirk. Keep the wheels up on the hillside. Right there. Right there. No, back up.
Oh, there it is, top.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Now we can have beers, right, Brian?
No, we can change the tire, then we can have beer.
I'll have a beer, Mitch.
You can have one, huh? I break every birthday.
Kirk, you want to explain to us what happened?
My dad ran out of talent and he popped the tire. Dude, that is such a lie.
As you can see, the Raleighs figured out what they call
figured out the physics.
physics. Yep, that's what we're talking about.
Mitch, now this is where you get to be part of the team.
All right.
This is a classic mistake.
We're
we have a
recording, just
spare
keep
tire, but
recording.
it's spare flat.
No, it's not. It might be low, but it ain't flat.
This is flat, Kirk. That's not.
Heavy M,
Yep.
loosen up those lug nuts.
Good thing it's not snake season.
God, am I thirsty?
You're gonna be really thirsty when you finish that.
Wasn't even driving.
How's it going, Mitch? Describe the force.
It's about, I don't know, 178 psi.
Kirk? Brian? What do you have to say? Why is Uncle Mitch, our guest, doing the hard work right now?
Because Kirk breaks everything.
I get it. Don't be stealing my thunder now. Just doing your job.
Teamwork. Brian, are you the leader here, the director?
I'm supervising.
Oh, I don't think you've gotten that one yet. I think Lauren could have done that, Kirk. Lucy,
She's going to
sure.
see this video, Mitch.
I'm going to put it on my channel on YouTube.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh my God, don't.
Easy. That's as far as it needs to go.
God, the thing is almost tipped over up on this mountainside.
How's that feel, Mitch?
Well, that's good thing that was my bad knee. Want me to take over, Brian?
Taylor. Our buddy just opened up a side-by-side rental.
Yeah.
And that's all of his cars we see today.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Kirk, this is part of my birthday treat. Learning how to change a tire.
It's really easy when you have the right tools.
And the right mountainside.
Or the right mounts.
They usually charge more for this, don't they?
Trailside repair.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Like 2 beers.
You know what's really funny? Watching dudes try to run a racket shop.
They don't know how to.
No, Scott Hawkins, not good.
That wasn't that bad, you guys. Once you figured out how to
Five
park the
people running.
razor.
Oh, this thing lifts up then, huh? What do you think, Derek?
See, she's almost
think that's
tipping
our-
over.
Flat as well.
It's not flat. Flat is what is on the spare rack right now. That's flat.
This is flat. I want to know what kind of obstruction you get when you turn around up there.
I think it was tree branches.
I don't know. Ask my dad. He was flat when he was driving.
It was kind of flat when we got in it.
I know. I felt it leaning.
I felt it too. I was sitting on that side. I thought it was me and my weight.
God, is it hilarious that we were just talking about it today.
It's also hilarious. He's like, "Oh, don't go back too far. I don't want to break back here."
Jinxed it.
Totally jinxed
Because
it.
I'm smart like that. I didn't jinx it.
I think you did.